Now, our coverage of Nomination Day activities begins with the party leaders. We begin with Prime Minister and leader of the JLP, Dr. Andrew Holness. As Andrea Chisholm reports, he has dismissed recent poll findings.
A marching band punctuated with the familiar sound of vuvuzelas, signaling the arrival of Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness. Minutes later, he was nominated as the JLP's candidate for West Central St. Andrew. Dr. Holness was first elected Member of Parliament for the constituency in 1997.
Will this be your last election?
As I said upstairs, I feel like I could do 7 more.
The nomination of Dr. Holness comes a day after the RGR Gleaner Don Anderson polls indicated that 41% of the 1,008 respondents had a good opinion of the Prime Minister. It's a 3 percentage point increase over the May-June 2025 poll. The August 2025 data also stated that 37% of respondents had a poor opinion of the Prime Minister.
The Don Anderson polls, for what they are worth, have not been very accurate, and I don't rely on them, and I wouldn't advise persons to rely on them either. The truth is, we have commissioned our own polls, and our polls show a scenario that is totally different from what is being painted or portrayed.
And with the election about 2 weeks away, what about the promised JLP manifesto?
The manifesto is set, it's finished. We're just...
When we're getting it?
Soon.
Sam, the debate is on Saturday though.
Thank you.
While the country awaits news on that, the Prime Minister reiterated plans for a single road authority to manage the roadways. If given the opportunity, he said the next JLP administration would intensify water improvement projects.
The Spark program is already both a road and a water program. So once we say we're going to do a Spark road, we do the assessment for water, and we put in the lines at the same time. So you won't see us digging up the road to put in the pipes, because we have put the funds up front and it is being coordinated.
And so, Dr. Holness is confident the JLP can retain state power. But first, he will have to beat this man, Paul Buchanan, the PNP's candidate for West Central St. Andrew. The former MP for West Rural St. Andrew lost the 2016 election to Juliet Cuthbert Flynn.
I had 147 solid achievements up there, including new schools, new bridges, new everything, new highways, 2 highways. In 27 years, he has 1 police station down there.
Now he's trying to make a comeback.
We have the numbers. We have the numbers to win. There is no notion, no dopey stories about Prime Minister can't lose. It's one man against another man. I get more votes, he lose, and he goes, and I stay and build the economy and the social ethos of this place for the children.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.